امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے ایک بار پھر ایران کو سخت وارننگ دے دی. کہا کہ اگر ایران نے ان کے خلاف مبینہ قتل کی دھمکیوں پر عمل کیا تو امریکہ ایران کو صفحہ ہستی سے مٹا دے گا. ایک انٹرویو میں ٹرمپ نے واضح کر دیا ہے کہ اگر انہیں کچھ ہوا تو پورے ملک کے خلاف سخت کارروائی کی جائے گی اور ایران کو ختم کر دیا جائے گا.
Reports that they are still burning thousands of protesters alive. They also issued an assassination threat against you over the weekend. I know that you can't talk about what's on the table, but what is your response to Iran's leadership and their regime continuing to taunt you, threaten you, especially given over the weekend you said it's time for new leadership in Iran?
Well, they shouldn't be doing it, but I've left notification. Anything ever happens, we're going to blow the whole country is going to get blown up. So we've... originally Biden should have said something. When they made a statement, we always said, why isn't Biden saying anything? Because he didn't. But a president has to defend a president. Like if I were here and they were making that threat to somebody, not even a president, but somebody, like they did with me, I would absolutely hit them so hard. But I have very firm instructions. Anything happens, they're going to wipe them off the face of this earth.